Press the bell icon to never miss an update from placement interview.
Hello, good morning. My name is Prasad Bagauli and I am currently doing my Masters in Business Administration. The course name is Global Business Operations from Shri College of Commerce, which comes under Delhi University. So we had a separate entrance, like similar to how CAT and other exams happen for MBA. We had a separate entrance for the Shri College, and it's known as Global Business Operations, short for GBO entrance test. And GBO is the specialization, how we have international business, similar as GBO, and the test happens in February end every year, and subsequent, like it, of course the written test comprises of quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, and the English part, that is RC. These are the three main sections similar to CAT. The test is of a moderate level, to difficult level, I'll say, not as tough as other exams like CAT or syllabus. And the vacancies, the total number of vacancies are around 80. This year I think it's around 84. So the structure of the entire exam is like the major weightage is given to the written test, unlike other exams. So 85% is the written weightage that we have, and the remaining 15%, 10% comprises of the interview and 5% for the group discussion. And the total scores added as the merit list is prepared based on that. So when I was preparing for the MBA exams, like I had given very selective exams. I had written the CAT, I had written the Tata Institute of Social Science, I had written the Common Entrance Test of Maharashtra, and of course this SRCC. So as the sections are similar, and the only difference what we have is in CAT or maybe in other exams we have got a sectional timing for each section, but herein we have got a combined timing, so we have to divide it accordingly. And so focusing on the as I mentioned, the level of questions are moderate, so there will not be much of a problem when you deal with questions in quant or even English for that matter. So a person who is reasonably good in quant and English will be able to do much better. And logical is something what I believe is like down whatever I used to practice for logical, I always thought of that that how much ever I practice, but if it doesn't come spontaneously in the exam, it doesn't help you. So LR in my way was like whatever areas you feel you're weak in, so you need to evaluate where you can score better in those areas. So for example, it's about blood relations, it's about Venn diagrams, and it can be about the input-output questions. So wherein you feel that you can actually improve, and considering the time factor, of course, because some questions of course taken a lot of time. So if example it's a linear arrangement question or a circular arrangement question, and it's bound to take too much of time. So you can always learn the tricks of the question, try to apply your best there, but again it's not a guarantee because the questions are twisted here and there. So I would like to wish all the aspirants who are preparing for MBA the very best of luck, and don't lose heart in whatever you score in your written part, because of course the complete selection is based on many factors. Our institutes have got different reasons to select you based on a complete profile based selection. So irrespective of whatever you fare in the written, you always have a good path ahead, and it will be a learning experience for you. So all the best.